You're watching Animated Ideas.
Let's learn simple sentences starting with let's. Let's listen to the conversation.
Let's play.
Sure.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Let's play. Your turn. Sure. Your turn. Let's do a role play. I'll be A and you be B. Let's start. Let's play. Great. Now, let's switch roles. I'll be B and you be A. Let's start. Sure. Let's listen to the conversation.
Let's run.
Sure.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Let's run. Your turn. Sure. Your turn. Let's do a role play. I'll be A and you be B. Let's start. Let's run. Great. Now, let's switch roles. I'll be B and you be A. Let's start. Sure. Let's listen to the conversation.
Let's eat.
Sure.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Let's eat. Your turn. Sure. Your turn. Let's do a role play. I'll be A and you be B. Let's start. Let's eat. Great. Now, let's switch roles. I'll be B and you be A. Let's start. Sure. Let's learn some new words. Listen. Jump. Sing. Draw. Read. Swim. Paint. Clean. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Let's jump. Sure. Your turn. Let's sing. Sure. Your turn. Let's draw. Sure. Your turn. Let's read. Sure. Your turn. Let's swim. Sure. Your turn. Let's paint. Sure. Your turn. Let's clean. Sure. Your turn. Great job! Having fun, kids? Don't forget to hit subscribe for more learning and fun experience. Bye! See you next time!